You're in Silly Willy's right now. I forgot your name.
Kristen.
Okay, you're on recording right now.
Okay.
You don't mind. And yours is, I don't know your name.
Justin.
Justin. I have a cousin named Justin.
Really?
Yeah,
What's his last name?
Justin Min.
Oh.
He's cool. Look at the pretty glasses. Spoons and cool stuff. Dang. Hey, what's up? I'm not taking a picture, it's recording.
Oh.
Because I want to tell everyone that I've been in Silly Willy's. Stuff over there. Look, shampoo and all that stuff. No, it's hand wash. Wow. I'm sorry. Music. Oh, modeling clay. Picture frames. It's like a small dollar store, or a bigger dollar store.